like to my video, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to on the notification bell. Hello friends, welcome you once again to my channel DVCraft. I am Disha and today we are going to make paper octopus. So let's get started. First we will take a paper and a scissor and cut strips like this way. Now we have to roll it like this way. Now it has been rolled. Now let's take glue and stick it like this way. Now you have taken a circle. Now let's take scissor and cut little bit from here. Now let's take two color sketch pens and draw eyes. And some smile. From pink sketch pen we have to draw blush. And stick it here. And a paper octopus is ready. Friends, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment below. Thanks for watching.